Guys, look at this box. I just have to show you the box. Look at all these things. Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. I just want to say first before I go into anything, so sorry for missing my Monday upload. If you caught the little note that I put on the community part of my channel, I used a ColourPop liner and had an allergic reaction. My eyes, I woke up, they were like, they weren't quite swollen. They were all red and kind of crusty. Not that anyone wants to hear that, but I just wanted to be safe and wait another day before I put any makeup on. And I had like half of videos filmed because I filmed multiple like clothing hauls. I mean, just the try on part, not the haul part. So this is the first week in many weeks that I didn't have a backup video. Of course, that's how life goes. When you're not prepared, I feel like I've had so much backup content lately, and then like I just let myself have a few days to like chill, because I feel like especially right now we need that. If you guys want to watch, I will have put where the haul starts, I'm sure. Sometimes you just need a moment, and I was like, oh, it'll be totally fine. I budgeted enough time to have that moment, but then my eye issue, and I really didn't want to put on a bunch of makeup or any makeup. I just didn't want to risk it. But here we are. It's much better today. I took some Benadryl. I'm probably gonna wipe all my makeup as soon as I'm done filming, but they're not irritated or anything right now. When I woke up, they were a little bit irritated, but it's not too bad. It's happening before, but I didn't know what in my collection was causing it, but now I have it pinpointed and I know not to use that liner anymore. But anyway, we're gonna go ahead and jump in. Luckily, because I didn't film till today, my Shop Missy order just arrived. I know we just had one, but there's always new stuff and the new foundation should be in here. So I'm so excited. Once I haul it, then I can use it. So next week we will use it. We did try out a whole bunch of e.l.f. stuff on my face today. I totally forgot some of it, but we did try out some new e.l.f. stuff. So that's what I'm wearing. I tried the FAUX side trend. That's why we're so dramatic right now. Yeah. And I even like did my brows a little more high. I don't know, fun times. So anyway, we're gonna go ahead and jump into this haul. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I upload videos every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and more. It's been a couple weeks since I've had a bonus video, but when I feel like doing the bonus videos, I do upload them, but I felt a little uninspired. So any ideas of what you guys want? I do really want to do some decluttering videos and like some top fives, like top 5 foundation, top 5 nude lips, stuff like that. Whatever top 5s or whatever, anything you guys want to see, leave it down below so I can do it for you. If I have more inspiration, I'll be able to put out more videos for you, but I just try and keep it locked on my Monday, Wednesday, Friday, with the exception of this week. But anyway, I'm rambling. Let's just get into the haul. Let's do this. Okay, so they sent it in a box this time, which I don't know. I think I maybe have gotten one box one time ever, but let's see what we got. I'm just going to pull things out per usual. And the top thing, this is one of the biggest reasons I made the order. This is the No Pore Primer. I couldn't think of the word. No Pore Primer. I cannot wait to use this. Also, of course, the new foundation, which I'll get to in a minute. This is a silicone-based primer that suits all skin types. No Pore Primer minimizes the appearance of pores, mattifies the skin, and creates a smooth canvas. Helps your makeup stay in place all day. It says it can be used alone or under foundation. I can't wait to use it. Let me pop it open so we can see. I mean, I assume it's a silicone. Can't speak. It's a silicone-based primer, so I'm sure it's going to feel like a silicone-based primer. Guys, these were pink and silver, and I colored some extensions the same color as my hair, and now they are lilac and blue. But it's cool, it works. Baby lash scissors, always coming in clutch. These are little scissors from Shop Missy as well. I keep them down here to trim my lashes, or when I need to open a little tiny package like this. It's just, they're so helpful. $1. First of all, can we talk about the packaging like aspect? Their packaging is so cute. So this one is $1.88. As you guys know, if any item is more than $1, the $1.88 and the $1.55 stuff are charity items. So this one goes to schools. I believe it's an A+. Yeah, the A+ foundation. And then the other one is for the Papa charity, which is for animals. So I'm always excited when they have that. Ooh, my hands are so dry, girl. Ooh, it's like a clear. See if you can see that tiny dot. It's a clear primer. I want to be able to feel, be able to tell though with that dry hand. Ooh, girl, you can, I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to see a difference, but I can see a difference between where it's super dry right here. Don't mind this fake tan spot. I don't want, again, I definitely see a difference. So I cannot wait to try this. I hope it's gonna be good. I've tried this one, of course. I like it, but it's not my favorite. I need to try it again. I've used it a couple times, but I have a feeling I'm gonna really like this one. This is more my type of primer. I like the smoothness. I wanna like smooth it all out. Guys, look at this box. I just have to show you the box. Look at all these things. I got some really fun stuff in here. I'm really excited about that. I didn't even know that they carried. Okay, so I grabbed two of the new. These are their new foundation. This is the Pro Wear. We will be doing a video on this ASAP. I got the two lightest shades. Hopefully by next week, or by the next time I film a tutorial, so the video will be up next week, I will be a little bit lighter so I can use these because these do look pretty fair and I've got that little bit of a tan going. But I'm so excited to use this. Let's pop one open. I got the two lightest shades, like I said, Porcelain and Ivory. I'm excited. I love, 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 love their Drop Liquid foundation. It's literally like my second favorite foundation, like probably of all time. Probably of all time. I love it. If I'm not using Conceal and Define by Revolution and it's just like any day where I don't need to try something new or I don't want to try something new, I definitely reach for that one. It's amazing. This one, oh, and this one is for the Papa charity. So these must have been only $1.55. And you get 1 ounce in this. So you get even more in this one than the Drop Liquid one. The Drop Liquid one was under an ounce. I hope that it's going to be good. It's thicker than I thought it was going to be, for sure. And this is the lightest shade right here. Ooh, she kind of thick. Oh, even when I'm at my fairs though right now, I usually mix the two lightest shades of the other foundation, so I thought I would try that. With these, I love this packaging. It's pink. Obviously, I love it. Hello. Make anything pink and I'm going to love it. I just want to show you guys these two shades because I have them. Why not? It might help you guys out. Okay, I'm not sure what I was even saying because there's a bug and I panicked for a minute there, but let me finish watching this. So this one's definitely more yellowy orange toned and that one's much more fair. You can see now that they did oxidize a little bit, so they get a little bit deeper. I mean, I just put more of this on, but this one oxidized a little as well. I'll leave them on there for a minute so you guys can see, but it seems like a pretty decent coverage foundation. I'm not sure what, oh, full coverage foundation. So we will see. I cannot wait to try these. I hope that they live up to the other foundation because I love that one so much. This is what got me to make another order and I cannot wait. I'm so excited. So excited. Okay, now you can see it's getting a little bit darker. Again, driest hands in the world right there. You guys were telling me how much you love their dry shampoos, and I honestly have just recently started trying actual dry shampoos. I had tried some in the past and I hated them, so I just stuck with baby powder because my hair is always pastel, but I don't like how dull it makes it look sometimes. Like I put a little bit in here and I don't like how dull it makes my hair look. My hair looks shinier obviously without baby powder on it. So I'm trying other things, so I'm excited to try these two. This one is the AOA Studio Fresh Clean Breeze dry shampoo, if I can speak. This is the Gentle Clean, and this is the Detox. So this one is Deep Clean. It volumizes. Do they both? So Gentle Clean and Deep Clean. Gentle Clean, Deep Clean. So this one's for the Papa charity. This one is for the school charity. This one is scented like Wild Lilies, and this one is Clean Breeze. Let me sniff. Let's sniff. Oh, that actually smells really, really good. It smells like a fragrance, like a real fragrance, like a nice fragrance, not like a dollar store fragrance. You know what I'm saying? So I'll definitely try them out and report back, of course. Let's sniff. Whoa. Oh, they both smell so good. They both smell so good. I cannot wait to try these. The only one that I've been using is the Living Proof one because that's the only one I really had. I actually really love that one too. So I'm excited to try these guys. These are way cheaper than the Living Proof one. So if you guys were one of the people that left me the comments about how much you love these, let me know which one it is that you love the most, and I'll try that one first. They both say no white residue. I grabbed some reusable straws. Of course, I got the pink ones. I also got some biodegradable straws from Amazon too in the meantime, because this did take a while to ship. They have reduced the number of people in their warehouse from what I understand, so it is taking longer for Shop Miss A to ship, but they still are shipping. I did not mind waiting. It took only maybe a week longer than normal. It normally takes about 2 weeks when I place an order anyway, so it was probably 2 to 3 weeks. I ordered that the day after it launched, so I don't know how long it's been. It felt like forever just because I really wanted to try stuff and I really wanted the stuff. Okay, so these are just reusable straws. This was $5.33. You get 4 straws and 1 cleaner. Obviously, I got the pink ones. So you get the cleaner, which is very helpful, and then you get 2 curved ones and 2 straight ones. If you guys have tried these or anything, if you have a kind of reusable straw that you like, a lot of people I see on YouTube have like the big glass ones, which I think I might like more because it's easier to see and you know when they're clean. Let me know. because they're cute. So this is very random. There is more makeup, but I'm literally just going to pull things out because I feel like that makes it a little bit more fun, a little more variety of what's in here. So these I thought were pretty cool. I didn't know that they had like masks. They have sheet masks, which I did get a couple sheet masks. I'll show you in a minute. But I didn't know that they had like little jars of masks, so multiple use masks. Let's see what this one is. This one is a retinol mask, which I don't know, girl, but I'm willing to try it. I'm all about affordability. If it's gonna work well, I'm sure that retinol is gonna be like one of the very last. Yeah, it's really low down on the ingredient list, which means that there's gonna be not very much of it. These may have been $1 something, but I think they were only $1. I don't know. And then this one is a gel face mask. It looks like a clay one, but it says it's a gel one. So this is what these look like. I don't even know. I just thought I would give it a go. I was like, why not? Global Beauty Care. So it's still a little guy, but still it's gonna be more than one use for sure. And it smells fresh. This is what it looks like inside. We'll check out the other one too, why not? Oh, it has a spatula. It looks more like a clay mask. It says it's a gel mask, but it looks kind of more like a clay mask. I don't know. I'm excited to try this one. Oh, it does say, it says clay gel face mask. So maybe it doesn't dry. I don't know. Picked up 2 of their sheet masks. They have so many different sheet masks on the website. I got a vitamin C one and a charcoal one. So this one's going to be detoxifying. This one is good for brightening, moisturizing, and forming a firm skin, silky and fresh. But vitamin C is good for brightening. So I'm excited to try both of these. Of course, they were only $1. Oh, there's another one. I didn't realize there was another one. This one is the sleeping mask with hyaluronic acid. Wow, so 3 of them. I didn't even realize that I got 3 of them. Overnight revitalizing gel mask. Here, can use some hydration on this hand. I feel like it's absorbing really fast. It doesn't. This one doesn't have like a scent at all. The other 2 were kind of fresh smelling. I don't know. And I picked up another pair of tweezers because I feel like I'm always losing my tweezers, and I want to leave one in my beauty room and one in my everyday makeup bag because I just want one upstairs and one downstairs. I don't know, these look really nice, so I decided to try them. These I used today to curl a different pair of lashes that I thought I was going to wear today, but then I didn't, and so far I really like this. I mean, I haven't tried on my own lashes, but I'm excited to have it. Why not? Holla. I got some nail stuff too. So here are some fashion files. A sapphire file. As you guys know, I've been doing my own nails. Don't look too close because they're not great. But I have been doing my own nails at home during all of this. And so I thought I would get some more files. I like this one because the ones I have are so bulky. I feel like these will be much easier to get like really in on your nails. So I thought I would try these. Each one was $1. I also got this little set. This whole set I think was $1. Wow. Which came with, look at all the stuff that comes with. That's rad. All these little things, and everything was pink. And then I got another one of these cuticle pushers and trimmers. I love these. So I thought I would try them. I was like, I don't know. Why not? Why not? $1. Plus I was trying to get to my $35 mark. Ooh, I got a cute little, it's for like nail art. It's like for if you want to do dotting, or I got this mostly because I like to do like the glitter ombre, and I thought this tiny little pointer tool, if you can see it, one side is like rounded. I guess I could take it out. They both have little dots on the end, but this one's got a really tiny one, and then the other side's got a bigger one. So I feel like it'll be nice to just kind of drag up glitter. I grabbed some cotton rounds because why not? Yeah. I just figured why not. You can buy either one of these or a set of them. I decided to just get one for now. This is a charcoal nose strip. Bored in the house and I'm in the house bored, you know? I keep saying I'm going to be really good at doing skincare and I've been really terrible at it. Anyone else? Have all the time in the world and here I am. Because I was right there at, I think my total was like 34 and I needed to get to 35. I grabbed one more pair of Jackie lashes. These are my absolute favorite. I will wear these always, anytime, with any makeup look. I just absolutely love them. Let's see if you can see them. Absolutely my favorite lashes of all time. So I grabbed another one. All right, we're on to the last things. We have a bunch of lip products. I got 4 lip colors and 3 lip liners. I tried to get colors that I don't really use that often. So 4 of these, 3 of these. So this one, that popped open really easy. This one is LUXE. I think it's a hot pink. Oh, wow. Yeah, she's a corally hot pink. So again, that one's LUXE. These are the Wonder lip liners, by the way. Vintage. I think I actually have vintage. whoops, just like a darker red liner. I wanted to use something other than ColourPop liners for a minute because I use them all the time because I have so many of them. And then this one is Tease, which I think is like a berry. Yeah, it's like a purpley berry shade. So the first one we're going to swatch is Extra. Nice kind of dusty pink. I really like these. They are pretty dry, but I like to wear a gloss most days anyway, so it doesn't really bother me. This one is hot pink. This one is Savage. Ooh, that is bright. Look at that. They smell kind of like cherries to me. Drama, which, oh God, I think I have this too. Ooh, let's do a look with that guy. That looks gorgeous. Excited. It'd be pretty to do this one and then put this one in the center because this is a much lighter purple. Tease. Oh, that's gorgeous. I really like it. So I thought I would just get some different colors. You know me, I always wear a nude, so I was trying to push myself out of my comfort zone and try something new. And what I love about Shop Miss is it's so affordable that it's really easy to try something new and kind of push yourself. And I thought that would be fun to do some fun looks with these. All right, guys, that is everything that I picked up at Shop Miss this time around. Be sure to let me know which of these items you want to see in a video first. Of course, I'm going to do the primer and the foundation probably in my next tutorial. You're going to see this look first and then the next tutorial. I've been trying to do a tutorial a week-ish, or a makeup video at least a week. So hopefully next week? Right, next week. All right, well, I'm going to stop rambling. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I upload videos every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and more. I'll talk to you soon. Bye. Guys, I used color remover and I had one glove left. And of course, no one can get gloves right now. So I removed my tan and then I decided that I needed to try and retan my hand because the rest of me is self-tanned and my hand was not tan. It was white and it was stained blue. So this is where it's fine. It's fine. Anyway, I filmed a Shein haul and there was a swimsuit. So your girl needed to fake tan, self-tan, because nobody needs to see as white as my legs and bootay really are, because they never see the sun. My brain, that bug scared me. My brain is not here, guys. Not here. Some days I just like cannot focus. I'm trying very hard. I can do it. Everyone on TikTok's talking about that dollar store skincare, so I was like, Shop Miss A, how look that matches kind of my hair. I'm just throwing stuff. It's fine.